I'm sure it has happened to you that you wanted to post a photo or a video on Instagram, but you didn't want one specific person to see it. In this video, I'm going to show you how. As you know, Instagram lets you post stories just to some specific people on close friends list, and it will appear as a story with, I think, a green circle around your profile picture. Also, Instagram lets you post a photo or video or multiple photos and videos only for your close friends. In order to do that, first you want to edit your close friends lists. In order to do that, you want to head over to settings. As you can see, there is this item says close friends. You want to tap on that, and then you can just choose some people as your close friends. And once you tap done, it says 3, so now they can see that post. So what I want to do is I want to go to my home section, and I want to swipe right, and here I want to tap on post and maybe choose this photo. And after that, I can even select multiple photos if I want to. Let's say not now. So just this one, I'm going to tap next and next. As you can see here on the audience, it says everyone. If I put it on close friends, likes and comments will be visible. Close friends can see each other's usernames when they like, add a comment, or share your post. But other people will not know that you have added a post to your profile. So if I do that and go back and share it, now it says that photo has been posted. Do you want to send it directly to your friends? And let's say I don't want to, because these 3 posts are pinned to the main grid. It will appear after them, and as you can see, there is a little star with circle that shows this post is only visible to my close friends. And of course, if you want one specific person not to be able to see any of your posts on Instagram, you can just remove them, or even if you want, you can block them. Hope this helps, and subscribe for more videos like this.